everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So, if you viewing me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. I would love to have you. And make sure you leave a comment below so I know where to go. So yeah, you guys, I am enjoying some Brussels sprouts and pork chops. Oh, you guys, let's put us some hot sauce on this fresh hot pork chop and the Brussels sprouts, even though they do have crushed peppers on them, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video as much as I'm enjoying doing them, okay? And I would like to thank all my new subscribers as well as the old subscribers for helping support my channel. I really, really, really appreciate it. Yeah. So your girl decided she's going to have lunch with you guys today. I'm not going to hold you long, okay? So yeah, here go a bite of that Brussels sprout. It's good and tender. You got it. If you have not checked out that video, I will leave the link in the description below. Yes. For both of them, the fried pork chop, and the Brussels sprout. I know some of y'all saying, where is the bread? You guys, I couldn't offer you that piece because I picked it up with my hand. Instead of the fork. So, let's break off your piece. But it's delicious, mouth-watering pork chop. There you go. You guys, how have everyone been? That's good. Oh, that took a minute. I had to belch. So delicious. So delicious. I left them glasses somewhere. I don't know. But anyhow, you guys, the news has been very upsetting this week. For the past week or so. And to then top it off with the little baby Cupcake. I know they need to go find her. That's what I need to know. You know, tell you guys. From my understanding, as of yet, they got yet to find that little baby. And the stories I've been following on YouTube, I don't know, it's more to the eye than what they saying. Oh, this is my favorite part to the pork chop. So yeah, Mama had to separate it. You guys, this is so delicious. I haven't had pork chops in a while. It's going to need a little more hot sauce. Mm-mm-mm. That little baby wandered off and don't nobody know where she at. Mm-hmm. I just think it's sad because the people that were at the party, if you follow the story, they said the little girl was at the party, her and the little brother. Now, what I don't understand is all those adults, and no one saw what direction that little baby went in. Mm-mm-mm. I don't get it. Because the way I was raised, if someone child came down to my house, we kept an eye on them anyway. And what the crowd saying, that the mother never showed her presence at the party, then that's a sign of neglect. But then who am I? You know, I'm just a citizen. Mm-hmm. 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 And I don't get it, you know. Mm-hmm. But somebody needs to be held accountable. They say it was two guys last seen walking past a one or two kid. Mm-hmm. And we believe one of them was Cupcake. Now, even though the people don't know where Cupcake got off to, why haven't no one spoke up to say who the two guys was? Help the police out, you know. Now I know they say snitches, um, snitches get kid, yeah, what they call it, whatever. I know some people still hold by that rule, but when it comes to a child being involved, mm-mm, all rules go out the door. All rules go out the door. You got it. Tip of my nose is itching. I don't know who's trying to get over here. Mm. Who believe in superstitions? Mm, 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 mm. Y'all, when I tell you this is good, this is a good lunch for me. I'm still low carb, no carb. Did I say that right? Low carbs and no carbs. Keto. Hmm. That's why I don't have any bread, because this has flour on it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. But I pray for her, little cupcakes, and I hope everyone else keep her in prayer. I hope everyone else keep her in prayer. If you're viewing this video for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. Most definitely leave a comment below so I know where to go. Until then, you guys, I'm sending much love to my house, from my house to yours. Bye.